welcome back to the channel. My name is Carlos from Inciarte 4x4. A few days ago we received this Rhino USA pop-up Privacy 10. We still have our kick-ass awning on the truck. When we do campings and everything, we set up all the truck, but sometimes we need something like this, that way you can move around, or sometimes you don't have the time to set up that one. Even if that one is 7 seconds, this one is so easy as well, but we like to have both. Sometimes on the camping we have another truck parking next to us, or we are cooking and everything, and you need more privacy. You're gonna be far from the group, or if you are on a beach and you want to carry with you anywhere, it is just a pop-up tent that you can just pop up anywhere you want it. It's a bathroom, a shower, or fitting room, whatever is the use you want to use it. I just want to do the unboxing right now, that way we can see how big it is and we can see how comfortable it is to go inside. And then you're gonna see in all our videos, we are gonna be using this one, or you are gonna be seeing set up somewhere on the camping, because we always like to have another extra privacy tent. They come in a camo pack. They have, to hold it, that way it's flat. You can carry inside the truck if you want it behind the seat, or if you have stuff here, you can just slide it under any box and everything, because they don't take too much space on the truck. You see how flat it is. I like how the camo it is. All the our products from Rhino USA, you can pick and choose colors. We like how the camo it is from them. This one coming in this plastic. We're gonna open the plastic right now. Let me see. Coming some anchor if you wanna attach it to the ground. It is too windy, or if you wanna keep it set up far from the camping or where you are located right when you are on the camping, you can just use this anchor to attach it to the floor. They come in a camo bag as well. Okay, let's go. It's not heavy. It feels pretty good, the material. It's tall. I'm 5'10". You can see how's the difference. I'm 5'10", and see how tall it is. It is. First time. The first thing that I noticed has floor. I'm gonna show you a couple photos or small clips on the end of the video, that way you can see everything closer. Good thing have floor, that way you can step on it and you're not gonna be on the dirt or even the grass and the sand, whatever you set up the pop-up tent. But they actually have holes in every single corner, that way the water can drain out if you are taking a shower. If you are only using for a fitting room, it's perfect, because you're gonna have any dirt going around. Or if you're using as a bathroom for the toilet, you're not gonna have to mess with any grass or nothing when you are doing your business on the bath. Have to zipper when you go inside. See, we have the sunlight right now, and you cannot go in see through. This one, the material, the fabric is pretty good. We are gonna fold this one. Just quick fold. Okay. Nice. Like I say, I'm 5'10". This one is 7 foot, and is 4 feet wide, like a 4x4. It's pretty big here. Oh, and actually have a bend. I'm gonna show you. Let me just bring the camera. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, let me show you pretty close how it is. I'm gonna show you all the details here, the fabric. See, the door is open right now and you cannot see through the fabric. Even here, direct sunlight and you don't see through. Direct sunlight here, you don't see through here. You're only gonna see my shadow because it's pretty bright, the sun right now, but you cannot see nothing and nobody gonna see you inside. Can I say it's 7 foot tall? It's 4 by 4. If I step here, I still have plenty room all the way around. If I sit here, I'm gonna still have plenty room around to move my arm. Let me put the camera here. If I'm gonna take a shower, the camera right now is outside, but I'm gonna be inside. Let me put like this. I have plenty room to move my arm if I take in a shower. Have this filter here. It is sky view here. It is too hot. We have mosquitoes mesh if you want to keep it closed, or if you're gonna keep it open and just close the mosquito mesh. Have a little small pouch here, but it's enough to the shampoo or even the soap. And have this one here, it's like a straps, you know, to hang if you want to hang the towel, your clothes, or even if you want to hang those pouches here to keep your stuff, or even if you want to keep a holder for the toilet paper. Here they have the holes in every single corner. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned if you want more information. We are going to be reviewing more products of the Rhino USA lineup. We are going to be taking more shots. We're going to be doing some unboxing. That way you guys can compare how it is, our personal review, and we're going to be using on the camping or in any trip. I'm going to be posting on another of my social media. That way you guys can stay tuned and take a look and see how it's working with the time, few months to use it and everything. But so far the material, the fabric is good, the size is pretty good, it's tall, have some features, have, like I say, we mentioned before, the pouch, the sky view, we mentioned all that. And now I'm gonna give you a link on the description below this video. That way you can go directly to their website, and we have a discount code as well from the Rhino USA, the whole lineup. You can use it anytime you want. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment. Thank you guys, stay tuned. And last but not least, when it's time to do your business, you're gonna be here. Still have plenty room. I can just put my arm straight and I literally touch the zippers. I still have space all the way and around. I mean, it's pretty comfortable. The good thing, you have that vent over there. That way you don't gonna be sweating when you have this close doing your business here on the portable pop-up tent from Rhino USA. Thank you guys and stay tuned.